Today on Houston Life, we've come out to the Galleria area to the Texas Dental Implant Center to meet with Dr. Azza, who you would know because he has been in the Houston Life studios. But today, we are headed to his clinic to take a look at the technology behind the dental implants that you can get here and have a look at their on-site lab. Let's check it out. Dr. Azza, thank you so much for having us here today.
Thanks for coming, Mel.
This is exciting. You have an amazing clinic and the technology behind your implants is pretty fascinating. I mean, we're looking, this is the beginning.
Yeah, so this is the first layer of planning. So whenever a patient comes in, we start with a 3D scan of their mouth. This helps us to diagnose their mouth condition and also formulate an accurate treatment plan. The scanner is kind of a weird looking camera, but it's really easy to take the scans. This replaces the way we did impressions long time ago, where we had all the doughy stuff going inside the mouth. This camera collects around 3,000 pictures in 90 seconds, and then when it stitches them together, it gives me a three-dimensional image of where every tooth is and how it looks like, so we can diagnose the teeth and then we can plan the future teeth based on that.
That is absolutely amazing that this little wand replaces that whole process. I mean, I've had one tooth done and you have to get that whole mouth mold and it's a process.
Yeah.
But this changes all of that.
And then the good thing is that once you take the image, let's say if we want to repeat part of the tooth to be rescanned, we can just focus on that part. We don't have to repeat the whole mold again to take it again.
That's like a game changer.
It is, yeah. It's absolutely a game changer.
So once you have this scan, what happens next?
So once we have this scan, it gets transferred to our lab where we design the teeth.
Can we take a look?
Yeah, let's take a look.
Off to the lab.
So this is our on-site lab. Once the records are taken, which we showed earlier, it gets transferred to the designing station. The designing station is where we design the teeth in 3D. We also take patients' pictures so that we know exactly what to look for. Like, for example, this patient had the midline shifted and we wanted to shift the whole teeth to the right side. And so this allows me to do that here. And then once the design is approved, it goes into the processing or production process.
So you're able to take the model of the teeth and put it in someone's mouth in an image on a screen so you can take a look at what it looks like before you actually go through with the procedure.
So that way we don't have any patient that comes in with excessively big teeth or small teeth. All the patients that we do are going to have exactly the teeth that they need and fits their facial features.
So this enables you to do custom implants for every single person that walks through your clinic.
Exactly, yeah. All the designing is custom made to the patient.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
So how do you get these teeth? Because you make them here on site.
Exactly, yeah. So once we have the teeth, it goes into the milling station. And the milling station is where we design our milling machines to design the teeth or mill the teeth. So this is the milling station. We just had a patient who completed their teeth milling. And this is how it looks like immediately after production. This is made of zirconia. And once it comes out, it looks completely white in nature. It goes into a process of coloring and staining to get it to look like real life. This process takes about 4 hours, and the processing afterwards takes about another 6 hours.
Wow. So how do you get it from looking completely white like this to making it look like someone's teeth and gums?
Let's visit the ceramic station so we can take a look how that happens. So immediately after the teeth are being produced, they have no color or shape. And then after we go through the ceramic addition process, we do the characterization, where it becomes more of a reality, and then the colors and shapes.
Even shaping the teeth?
Exactly. We can have minor or micro structuring where we can get the teeth to look as natural as possible.
That is absolutely amazing.
Yeah.
So how does somebody know that it's time to come and visit you?
So the best time to come in is when patients are feeling discomfort when they're eating, they're wearing dentures, and they can't keep the dentures inside the mouth, or they're generally fearful of the dentist. I mean, we're trained to manage patients very well. We know their backgrounds and we know what the struggle was before. And we're here for any patient to know their options, especially when it comes to dental implants.
So you would say just give you a call and come on in and check it out?
Exactly, yeah.
I would say that. I mean, that's what we did today.
Yeah.
It's been wonderful. Your clinic is absolutely beautiful and
Thank
it's
you.
a really nice, peaceful space. So
That's excellent.
thanks. Now I feel like I want to take a seat. Maybe I won't leave. Thank you so much for having us.
Absolutely.
here
Thanks
today.
for coming.
And the Texas Dental Implant Center has a special offer for Houston Life viewers. The first 20 callers will receive a complimentary consultation after a short pre-qualification call. Then that one-on-one consultation with Dr. Azar plus a 3D scan and x-rays, which is a $1,000 value.
And if you'd like to schedule your appointment, you can call 713-322-5056. You can also visit them online, bestdentalimplantshouston.com.
Okay, coming up on Houston Life, supporting Asian American and Pacific Islander community is easier than you think.
Yeah, Sydney Dow, Cassie Gaffar, and Sandy Wind, they are joining us with more info on how you can get involved, get some delicious meals, earn some freebies. We're going to learn all about it when Houston